जरूरत है। जम्मू में एक प्रोग्राम से खिताब करते हुए निर्मला सीतारमण ने कहा कि जम्मू कश्मीर की मईशत को बेहतर बनाने के लिए सरमायाकारों को आगे आना चाहिए। जम्मू कश्मीर के हमा तरक्की के लिए निर्मला सीतारमण ने सरमायाकारों से आगे आने की अपील की। निर्मला सीतारमण का मानना है कि तरक्काती स्कीमों का फायदा मुस्तकीन तक पहुंच रहा है।
Since after 2019, we are seeing the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir go through a rapid progression. Projects which have been waiting for a long time are getting rapidly implemented. Sections of societies which have never had the opportunity of receiving any assistance from the government are getting it. And genuine business which can be conducted, which have no other way of getting or accessing credit, are also being provided credit. Those who took the loans, let it to become an NPA and didn't pay back the taxpayers' money, which is what is in the banks, we as a government have actively pursued them, whether they are in this country or whether they have gone away from India, and ensured that their properties are attached, ensured that the properties are through a legal process sold or auctioned out, and those monies have been paid back to the banks. We shall get back every money which has been taken from the bank and not serviced. It will come back to the banks. I want to assure the people of Jammu that this state will now be a lot more transparently governed. Banking will be available for each one of us, and taxpayers as well will be honored.
आम आदमी पार्टी मिशन पंजाब पर है। पार्टी